on the demo floor with Stanley Zale, our Vice President of Diamonds and Gemstones, and we're talking lab-grown diamonds. Good morning, Stanley.
Good morning, Randy.
And I understand that you just taught a class on lab-grown diamonds, and it's kind of a hot topic in the industry right now. And I know that we have, a really good selection of different testers and a great story to tell. So what's going on?
Well, when we talk about lab-grown diamonds, there's really two aspects of the story. The first aspect is what we sell, lab-grown diamonds from about 1/5 of a carat and larger. And it's very easy, the way we present it. Here's a lab-grown diamond in a blue acrylic, and it's going to be laser inscribed on the girdle, lab-grown, versus a naturally mined diamond in the clear acrylic. It won't be laser inscribed lab-grown, but it's easily discernible which is which. The challenge for the industry is in melee, is in smaller diamonds, and how is the jeweler to know, let's say if he's buying diamonds over the counter from the public or from a vendor, if he's getting natural diamonds. Well, there's an easy way to start to screen things out, and we sell two devices here. The first is the AMS, and the second is the Presidium tester. And what these devices do is they'll determine whether or not a diamond is a type 1 or a type 2 diamond. Now, this is significant because all diamonds that are grown in a lab are type 2, but only 2% of the diamonds that come out of the ground are type 2. So if you test and screen with the Presidium and it tells you that the diamond's type 1, then you're done. You know it's a natural diamond. Type 1s are 98% of the natural diamonds and 0% of the lab growns. If it gives you a referral saying this is a type 2 diamond, now you have to send it out for further testing with more advanced instruments. We have those instruments here. We're able to do that in-house and validate all of our inventory. Likewise, of course, the major labs, GIA, GCal, can do the same too. So it's all about being careful, vigilant, and having for a jeweler, a methodology to QA their product.
Perfect. And can you tell us, some of the more popular questions folks do ask or have asked at the workshop regarding lab-grown stones?
Sure. Well, the question I get a lot from jewelers, bench jewelers, is, well, can I use a torch the same way on a lab-grown diamond? And the answer is yes, because it is a diamond. And the best analogy that I've heard for this, someone says, well, it's like ice. So some ice is harvested from the Arctic, and some is grown in the ice maker in your kitchen. And this is the same thing. It's just grown in the ice maker, the diamond lab, versus found in the ground naturally.
Well, thank you so much for your time, Stanley. I appreciate it, and have a great rest of the workshop.
Thank you very much.